We have a clear view of our coil and of course our wires. We're lucky enough that ours are numbered. So this one right here is number 5, number 6, number 4. Right here you have number 3, number 2, and number 1. Draw a picture, take a picture. Remember, that's the way they go. Let's start disconnecting them. Squeeze those tabs. You should want to lift up. There we are. Awesome. Let's move along to grabbing this wiring harness. Small pocket screwdriver, lift up on the tab, draw that off. Next we're going to remove the 4 mounting bolts that go around the corners using a 7mm. We've got our new coil. Set it right on there. 4 mounting bolts. Go ahead and start them in. Just remember this one right here had this little guy. Let's snug them up. Awesome. Let's get these wires back on here. If you don't have any lubricant in there, this actually has a little bit of dielectric, so I'm going to leave it alone. But it's a good idea to have a teeny bit in there. Let's push this down. We've got number 1, number 2. You definitely want to make sure both ends are over. That way there you know for sure it's locked in. This one goes like that. It's number 3. We're going to come up here. We've got number 4. It's going to go under there. There it is. Number 6 is in the center. It's definitely down. This one. Okay. Just make sure all your wires are nice and secure. So we've got our electrical connector. I'm just going to line it up, click it in, give it a tug. Awesome.